Okay, we've got some massive news for Shiba Inu. SHIBASWAP is coming this weekend. We have a confirmation on the Sheep Army subreddit right here. But before I show you it, make sure you give the video a like if you want Shiba Inu to go to the moon. Check this out. For people demanding SHIBASWAP, did you miss what I just said? I said that the Oracle provider of the swap set up via node on unification UND goes live this weekend. They want security. This is why we're waiting so long for it, even though testing it should be over. Proper infrastructure and security, exactly, is what makes this swap and our future projects a success. So we will have this swap, but there's a few things that you should be aware of, and this is why I'm making these videos. I'm here to serve you and bring you up to date with all the information how I would trade Shiba Inu. We basically had a live stream 2 hours ago, and during that live stream I said we might have a bet that can bounce in BTC, and I was right. I basically said it. It was on the 5-minute time frame. I'll see it. I said it here. It was exactly the 400 area, and we dropped like 2%, and I managed to catch the top to the bottom pretty much based on the RSI strategy. And if you don't believe me, you can see the alerts here going off. Here they went off like 2 or 3 hours ago. And I sold here, as you can see, 17:11 my time. So yeah, I did take advantage of that. I'm shorting some stuff, but Shiba Inu is definitely something that I wouldn't short at all. I'm actually looking to accumulate Shiba Inu on the dips. I think we'll have some dips. Hopefully we don't break this formation right here. Before I gotta tell you that the video is not financial advice. You should definitely like it for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Something really cool is that you can buy Shiba Inu with the lowest fees on Binance. And if you actually go, I just prepared this. Just head to sell 600 mil Shiba Inu. I'll be buying it back. I don't know. The camera wouldn't. Oh, I turned off the autofocus because it just moves around too much. Yeah, I had to sell some Shiba Inu. I'll buy it back at a dip because I think we'll have a small dip, and I have an option to, buy it back. That was like 4 or 5 grand worth of Shiba Inu. And in the meantime, I took advantage of a lot of short positions because I think the market will have a small retracement. Why? Right, again, this video is no financial advice. Oh, and by the way, I partnered up with Bybit because the cool thing is that if you deposit $100 using my link in the description down below, they'll give you a bonus. Check it out, especially if you're trading Dogecoin, BTC, Litecoin. You're basically getting the best deal if you trade with them. But for Shiba Inu, they don't have it yet. They have you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance just like I do. So here's what I think. I think we'll have a small retracement here on BTC. And the reason is, the whole formation right here. At first, we thought that this situation here, we would mimic it. For some reason, it doesn't load. Okay, it loaded. But we didn't actually do that, and that's bad. We had a retracement instantly, which is bad because it means that people that bought the dip just took profits here. And these are all trading stop losses, probably. And this is not good. If we have a dip and then people immediately start liquidating, their positions to, take profit, that's not good. That's not the long-term sustainable. That doesn't mean we're in a good position right now. So in my opinion, we can have a small dip in BTC again. So we can have an opportunity to buy more SHIB before SHIBASWAP. I'm definitely looking for opportunities with the crypto scanner trading view. But I think I'll make a live stream tomorrow and I can trade live. Why don't, if we actually get, I don't know, 30 likes on this video, I'll do a live stream, live trading tomorrow. I think it's gonna be fun. So the main news we're waiting for is still Coinbase listing eToro, potential listing SHIBASWAP going live, and we have confirmation it will go live. And there's already a lot here, and there's already a lot of memes about it. Let me try our tattoo studio, Glasgow, Scotland now accepts SHIB. That's cool, right? There's massive adoption. Time to feed the pack. 4 hours ago, but still no information. I don't think we'll have news during the Asia market hours. I'm thinking that we might have it on late Friday or early Saturday. What does that mean though? Let's see the discussion. I think it was just the announcement about SHIBASWAP, but I think it's going to finally release the new wolf paper. Oh, that's good. Literally heard this a month ago. Yeah, wolf paper 2 is coming out today. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's not bad. So yeah, wolf paper coming. That's not bad at all. Something big is going to happen. This transaction is no joke. There is a massive whale among us. Among us. Are you sus? Let's see. From Binance to $200 million worth of SHIB. What? What's the community saying? What's more impressive is moving $207 million worth of something for a $3 fee. Yeah, that is impressive. Try to move that anywhere else. Do it in a major financial institution to see how the transaction fees will be. What's more criminal is the same company Binance who charged me £10 to move about 400 of Shiba. Yet they moved $207. No, $207 million. It's crazy. Not yet. We have other info first. Shiba will the swap land today. So I guess we're actually getting the wolf papers today, which is actually good for the project. I think that can definitely spark some interest. There's this tweet. I think there's this is 3 hours ago, but I think there's development because I got a notification. Ether high. The reply is Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. So I think we'll come to eToro very soon, probably within the next week, because they said they're teasing us, right? They had a tweet a few days ago. They were saying we added this, this, and this, but don't worry, there's more to come. And since everyone was just saying ship, 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 that can definitely help us out. I don't know how much it would help us out because the main news that we're waiting for is SHIBASWAP. So for people demanding SHIBASWAP, did you miss what I said? Yeah, this is the tweet 2, 3, 4 hours ago. So SHIBASWAP is coming live. We'll have a very good week. I think we'll close very positive. And as I said, I'm just looking for a better entry right now to buy more SHIB. It's going to be pretty interesting. Something that I'm short, if you're just wondering what am I doing, again, this is no financial advice. I'm shorting this from pretty much when it hit 80-ish RSI. I shorted at around here. I shorted around here, and I'm trying to take advantage of the move down. I have RSI alerts. Normally I trade RSI wise to take positions in and out, and price action more, not just prices. But when I was taking these positions, I was keeping in mind the major resistance area, an overall downtrend, plus a probable that can bounce on BTC. So when it comes to Shiba Inu, again, I'm very bullish. I wouldn't short Shiba Inu at all. That it would be very foolish with the news that we're waiting for. But I do see a correction coming. If we break 714, I'll add in a volume without waiting for any dips, just because I think we'll have a breakout pattern for 10-ish% at least. Profit very fast. Maybe with a stop loss at around here, or maybe I'll just add in volume. If we have a dip to 660, 5-ish%, 2 to 5% dip, I'll add in more volume as we dip more. But I'm definitely interested in taking profits along the way, right? The goals that I have, the price targets that I'm after on Shiba Inu are basically, I don't know why it's not saying it here, but we have a price target at around this area. And then we have a price target at, I don't know, my drawings, where did it go? And then we have other price targets, but, oh, okay, now it's all good. No, it's not. Where's Shiba? Shiba, where are you? Okay, good. So price target. I thought we were going to have the Coinbase announcement yesterday. We didn't. That's why we're a little bit slow, but I think we'll definitely, in my opinion, we'll break this and this resistance line after the announcements. We'll see. Definitely Shiba is a cryptocurrency you want to hodl. If you're into meme coins, definitely trade with your own due diligence. Don't risk money you can afford to lose, and we'll see you next video. Bye.